In 3, 2, 1.
And not expected.
Yeah, version 5. I expected that.
Expected today and not expected on Sunday. For
Yeah, notice the more common WR300s on eBay are like the version 5s.
Yeah, I expected that.
At least when I last looked it up.
For Glen Canyon.
Wait, hold on. I only have 7. I'm missing a radio. Wait, unless he shoved 5 into... Unless he shoved 5 in... Wait, alert... So, recom, that... Oh, yeah, he... Okay, yeah, so, yeah, Okay, so, yeah, I have all 8. Okay.
Oh, you thought you were missing a radio for a minute?
Yeah, I thought I was.
San Rafael swell. Not expected.
Yeah.
EAS.
Yeah. Let's do a quick alert test. That is loud. Let's do an alert test on the AlertWorks. But yeah. This is awesome. Thank you, LWX. I'll have to set that up off camera. Alert type. Just voice. Let's do a quick siren test. Yo. This is awesome. There's my other AlertWorks over there with all my other radios.
Is this your second one?
Yeah, this is my second one. Cause
nice.
the other one has antenna arthritis.
Oh.
And the display is going out.
Oh.
Because it's when I plugged it in, it only says 1204A.
So like parts of the segments on the display are starting to go out.
Yeah.
I think the Capello and the Alert, like Next Digital radios, were like known for doing that too.
Anyway, let's plug in the 120 finally. Wait, is this? No way. It's an OG 120.
Ooh. It's not even the EZ.
No, it's not the EZ.
So is that the one where you had to put the bits code in manually?
Alert type, that's normal. Set location. Any. It's a channel. That's a bit loud. Oh, that got damaged in shipping.
Oh shit, what happened?
I may have to salvage one of my 120s.
Oh, what happened?
There's dead pixels on the side of the screen.
Oh, you talk about that, but that one spot's on my one really badly damaged 120.
Yeah, it's got dead pixels on the side.
52 degrees. The dew point was 39 with a relative humidity of...
That's a bit loud, and I'm gonna turn the button beeps off.
Is it just me, or are the button beeps on the 120s loud as hell?
Yeah, they are loud.
At 7 miles an hour.
With how loud they were when I got my first WR120 ever. Yeah, the first thing I did was went and turn off the button beeps, so those freaking loud.
Anyways, this has been an unboxing of the AlertWorks with alert blocking, the WR105, and the OG WR120, and I've been along with
The EAS Basin.
And we'll see you guys next time.